Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you some Heist Brew Company. This is not a brewery, this is just a place where you can buy some beer and food as well. But I'm after the same cloudy beer from the same brewery, so I will go there and will try this beer, not from the cask but from the kegs, which means that they are cold and fizzy. So what's interesting here? It's looked like a very posh uh, place for more younger generation. They've got some money games. They've got some food place. But we go to the bar. So let's go to see what's happened at the bar. So all the bar from the kegs here. But the selection is quite amazing. You see how many different beers you can find here. This huge selection, and this is a very big choice of beers here, but all of them from the kegs. So board games, not very exciting, and here we turning. I'm after the Turning Point the brewery. So you see, prices are higher. £6 per pint, 5.80, 5.60, 9.90, 9.90 per pint. Oh, sorry, I've skipped some bad words. £24 per £24 per pint. Did you see this? Did you see £24 per pint? Bottom left. £24 per pint. Pint. No, this one. £24 per pint. 13, but £24 per pint. I can't believe. Can you say some comment about it?
Second mortgage.
Yeah, so it is really expensive. So what we've got here, I've ordered this Triple Point Brewery, the shapeshifter. So it should be IPA, which is 6%, and it's hazy. Everything is hazy here because it's Triple Point. Let's see. Oh, it's 1/3 of the pint. Yeah. Turning Point. Very fancy glass. Looks. Sorry, everything is horrible. Yeah. I don't like it. So you can feel the taste of the beer, but it's very shaded by the. It's shaded by it's cloudy from east and from the protein there. So I don't know why people like it. It tastes horrible. So basically, you waste all your hops, all your malt to make this one. Just mix water with alcohol and enjoy the same drink. It will be much cheaper, but you don't waste the product. You don't waste the ingredients. So you cannot feel the character of the hops. You cannot feel the character of the malt. You just feel the unrefined beer. And I don't understand why the people like it. And I would like to ask my friend what they think about this beer. So, can you try this and make some comments about this beer?
This one, well, it's incredibly tasty. There's lots and lots of hop in there, but I can't believe the flavour is not masked by the cloudiness, which is probably produced by dry hopping with pelleted hops.
So probably they waste about 3 times more hops than for normal beer.
Absolutely,
4 times.
absolutely. The hops are added at the probably the kegging stage. That's why it's so thick with hop debris.
So it's look like just waste of good ingredients to achieve at least a little bit because of a lot of unrefined conditions in this beer.
In my opinion, yes, I think so. I think you could make a similar tasting beer by dry hopping in the fermenter and having it clear and enhance the flavour.
So basically, it's a waste of money.
My opinion, yes.
So basically, we both disappointed by this beer, and what can I say? Just modern trend, nothing else. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you, bye, and press the bell, of course.